Hi, welcome to my wellness journey in Delhi. I can hear the peacocks. I recently went on the Rupan Pass trek a few weeks ago, and on my way to Rupan Pass, I visited a few of my friends in Delhi and spent a few days with them. On one of the mornings, I joined my friend on her daily walk and jog at Rose Garden. So, here is a sneak peek of what we got to witness at the Rose Garden and at the Deer Park that morning. Hi! I hope you enjoy this video. My friend Vaishali Jain is a certified yoga trainer as well as a facial yoga expert. So here I am asking her a few basic questions about what exactly is facial yoga and how we could all benefit from it. It's 7 a.m. here and I'm in Delhi in a park called Rose Garden. It is a beautiful, beautiful park and just look at it. It's a place where my friend Vaishali comes every morning to unwind, get some fresh air, set her vibe and energy for the day. In this video, I want to introduce her to you. She is a certified yoga trainer and she is now into facial yoga, which is transforming lives. It's changing people's appearance, the way they look naturally without any chemicals. Hi Vaishali.
Hi.
So I was telling them how you got inspired to take up facial yoga and it's transforming people's lives, right?
It is. So just like we have different type of workout for our body,
Yeah.
we need to work out, at least our facial muscles as well. Going for facials and cleanup might just rejuvenate your skin, but not your facial muscles. Also, with the kind of lifestyle we have, we tend to feel that our face looks dull, skin looks saggy, and don't look that fresh. So face yoga just helps you bring your muscles close to your bone. Also, then the kind of problems that you think of like pigmentations, acne and stuff, which is not majorly a problem, is also been solved through face yoga because you get to the roots of the problems.
Amazing. And I'm going to show them the kind of results your students have gotten after doing your course, right?
Yes.
So it's remarkable. And how long is the duration of this course?
It starts with 21 days and I have a 30-day program as well.
Okay.
So within a week you start seeing results, which is incredible.
Wow.
Because until and unless you see results, you don't believe in a course, right?
Absolutely.
And this is something which gives you quick results because we have fewer muscles on our face and smaller muscles, so it tends to work faster.
Hold on, we have lots more to come with Vaishali.
Welcome to Delhi.
Thank you. Such a thick, beautiful garden. Why is this popular, Vaishali?
Because it has lot of these old forts, tombs, etc. Right? And it's huge. So it's done up really well. They have different sections like Butterfly Garden, Rose Garden. They have these medicinal value, or like they have divided it in different sectors. So it's very famous and it's in the heart of the city, so a lot of people come.
So it's
There's
not
yoga happening, different sort of workouts happening. Right now you see tightrooping, acro yoga, you see people doing hula hoop, people come sit here, chill, have family time. Couples are all around, so it's like for everybody.
What is that monument there? Vaishali, since you are a certified yoga trainer and you are an advocate of facial yoga now, so can you tell me why you got drawn to yoga and how do you think it helps people?
So I have been doing yoga since my childhood. My mom had always asked me to do some sort of exercises, and we had a really good yoga teacher back there in my town where I come from, and that's what got me into it. You know, when you have a good teacher who's training you, and then you see your body being so flexible than others at your age, and you can do so many other things and poses from your body, you just get more inclined towards doing more and more stuff because it kind of amuses you, right? That kind of things you can do with your body, which everybody has, but who is using it to its maximum.
Right.
So that's what inclined me doing a headstand, doing Nauka, Asana, you know, like different kind of things that you can do as a child where people are not even aware of it.
Yeah.
So it sort of gave me a kick. So that's how I started doing yoga. But even at this age right now, I feel that my body is so much more flexible than my friends who are of my age, and I feel so much more healthier.
Can you tell me now, what did you find great about face yoga that you took it up as a serious passion?
It was during the lockdown, you know, and I have been always into a healthy lifestyle, working out regularly, hardly miss a day in a week, right? And for me to see my face, you know, my face was looking very saggy, droopy, dull. I was wondering, like, what on earth am I doing wrong that this is how I'm feeling by the face? Because the first impact is always your face, no matter how fit your body is. But people are going to first look at you, like, at your face. And if that doesn't give good energy and good vibe, you know, then people are not going to believe in anything that you do. Coming from the background that I am like a yoga instructor and, you know, into fitness. So why would anybody listen to me if I don't look fit and good overall? And also the hype about Botox and fillers and stuff kind of took me aback that is this the only way to make yourself look beautiful or age gracefully? So I started finding my ways out and I went back to the history of Ayurveda where, you know, face yoga would be practiced back then. Why would you want to you know, inject a chemical in your system just in order to look good for a couple of months or weeks? And that becomes an addiction because, you know, you want to look a certain way. And if something is making you look a certain way, you are inclined towards spending. And for how long are you going to keep doing that? And they are poisonous substance. People are not aware of the Botox.
Listen to this, guys.
It's a poisonous substance that people had used during the world wars in order to, you know, kill people. So that is how the Botox is made. They have these chemicals which was used during the wars in order to make their weapons and kill people. But do you really want to do that to yourself? And face yoga is the best substitute, not even a substitute. Like, I think people should not even consider Botox and fillers once they start doing facial yoga, because you're traveling, you're studying, you're eating, you're watching television. You can do this anytime, anywhere, without an external factor, you know, that you need. You don't need any tool. If you have a clean hand and your clean face with no makeup, no cream, you can do those exercises anywhere, like even while walking in the park, you know.
It's just simple stretches that...
And it really affects all age people, you know. People are like 40s, 50s. They also can do it. Obviously, the results shows in a couple of months for them and not that instant because, you know,
of course,
you have lived and spent so many years on earth. It's not miraculous. Everything is not. But you start seeing changes from the very first week, and I vouch for that because I have trained over 90 people right now. And everybody has seen changes within a week.
If you want to improve your posture, your skin elasticity and facial structure, as we age, our face does kind of get deformed, and what Vaishali is talking about is how to go back and bring our youthful skin into the present. This is something that I'm definitely going to sign up for, and just by looking at her as an example, it is very inspiring to know that you can look as young as the 20-year-old self. And this is a transformation that many people have also experienced, and I'm just very intrigued by this. All right. Thank you so much, Vaishali,
Thanks.
for sharing this.
Thanks for letting me reach out to people, and I hope you guys find your way out
Yeah.
to age gracefully.
Yeah.